Unlocking sleep, exploring the potential of clove tea before bed. Ever tossed and turned, desperately seeking a natural way to unwind before sleep? Clove tea, with its warm, spicy aroma, might just be the soothing ritual you've been searching for. But what does the science actually say? Let's explore the potential benefits, backed by research and a healthy dose of caution. Clove tea, a simple infusion of dried clove buds, has been enjoyed for centuries. Its rich, aromatic flavor has made it a staple in various cultures. But beyond its taste, cloves have a long history of use in traditional medicine. From ancient Ayurvedic practices to traditional Chinese medicine, cloves have been valued for their potential therapeutic properties. They were often used to address digestive issues and relieve pain. However, it's crucial to remember that modern scientific research is needed to validate these traditional claims. One of the most common traditional uses of cloves is for digestive support. Many believe that clove tea can help soothe the digestive system. This could be particularly beneficial before bed, preventing discomfort that might disrupt sleep. Cloves may stimulate the production of digestive enzymes. These enzymes play a crucial role in breaking down food and facilitating nutrient absorption. By promoting efficient digestion, clove tea might help reduce feelings of fullness and indigestion. Furthermore, clove tea might help alleviate bloating and gas. These uncomfortable symptoms can often interfere with a restful night's sleep. A warm cup of clove tea could potentially offer a gentle and natural solution. Even a mild upset stomach might find relief with clove tea. Its soothing properties could help calm the digestive tract. This can create a more comfortable environment for falling asleep. Cloves are rich in a compound called eugenol. This is the primary component responsible for their distinctive aroma and flavor. Eugenol has been the subject of numerous scientific studies exploring its potential health benefits. In vitro studies, laboratory experiments, have suggested that eugenol possesses anti-inflammatory properties. These studies indicate that eugenol may help reduce inflammation at a cellular level. However, it's important to note that these findings need to be confirmed in human clinical trials. While more research is needed, some believe that clove tea might help reduce minor aches and pains. The potential anti-inflammatory effects of eugenol could contribute to this benefit. This could be especially helpful for those experiencing muscle soreness or joint stiffness. Cloves are a significant source of antioxidants. These compounds play a vital role in protecting the body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to cellular aging and various health problems. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing them from damaging cells. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods and beverages like clove tea into your diet, you can support your body's natural defense mechanisms. This can contribute to overall health and well-being. The antioxidants in cloves may support overall cellular health. By protecting cells from damage, they can help maintain optimal function. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy body and preventing age-related decline. Cloves have a long history of use in oral hygiene. They were traditionally used to freshen breath and combat oral bacteria. This makes clove tea a potentially beneficial addition to your nighttime routine. Cloves possess antibacterial properties that may help fight against oral bacteria. These bacteria can contribute to plaque formation, gum disease, and bad breath. By inhibiting their growth, clove tea could promote a healthier oral environment. Drinking clove tea before bed might help freshen your breath. The aromatic compounds in cloves can mask unpleasant odors. This can leave you feeling more confident and refreshed in the morning. Clove tea, like many herbal teas, can be a warm and comforting beverage. The act of sipping a warm drink can be inherently relaxing. This can help prepare your mind and body for sleep. Clove tea may promote relaxation and reduce stress. The warmth and aroma can have a calming effect on the nervous system. This can help ease anxiety and promote a sense of tranquility. By promoting relaxation, clove tea might indirectly improve sleep quality. When you're relaxed and stress-free, it's easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. This can lead to a more restful and rejuvenating night's sleep. Some preliminary studies suggest that cloves may influence blood sugar levels. However, This area requires significantly more research. It's crucial to approach these findings with caution and consult with a healthcare professional. Further research is needed to confirm the effects of cloves on blood sugar. The existing studies are limited and require replication in larger, more controlled trials. Until more evidence is available, it's best to be cautious. Clove tea is not a substitute for diabetes management. If you have diabetes, it's essential to follow your doctor's recommendations and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Do not rely on clove tea to regulate your blood sugar levels. Cloves contain various vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and supporting immune function. However, the amount of these nutrients in clove tea is relatively small. These nutrients may contribute to immune function. Vitamins like vitamin C and minerals like manganese play a role in supporting the immune system. However, clove tea should not be considered a primary source of these nutrients. More research is needed to determine the extent to which clove tea supports the immune system. While it may offer some benefits, it's important to maintain a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle for optimal immune function. Before incorporating clove tea into your routine, it's crucial to consider potential interactions with medications. Cloves can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist before making any changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to cloves. Symptoms can range from mild skin irritation to more severe reactions. If you experience any adverse effects after consuming clove tea, discontinue use and seek medical attention. Moderation is key when consuming clove tea. Excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects, such as digestive upset or skin irritation. Stick to 1 or 2 cups per day to minimize the risk of side effects. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs. Clove tea offers a range of potential benefits, from digestive support to antioxidant protection. However, it's crucial to approach these claims with a balanced perspective. More research is needed to fully understand the effects of clove tea on human health. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating clove tea into your routine. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can help you determine if clove tea is right for you. Ready to explore the potential of clove tea? Before you brew, hit that like button and subscribe for more evidence-based health insights. Share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. And most importantly, talk to your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health routine. What are your favorite bedtime rituals? Let us know in the comments below.